And with that, dear ones, we invite you now to lean back, close your eyes, and breathe deeply, relaxing. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body, filling your entire body with this golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura, filling your entire aura with this golden warm light. Now imagine for this golden warm light to fill the room that you're in. And now imagine around you your galactic family of light, the ascended masters, the angels, the Telosians, all your wonderful guides that are here showing you the way and sending you their love. Now bring your awareness inward to your inner being and ask from the Holy Spirit source to show you your Christ self, your God self. And you can see, feel, imagine, and perceive the light within you to increase more and more. The light within you to become brighter and brighter. Feel it with your entire body, with your auric field. Feel the vibrational frequencies of your being to increase and raise. Imagine for this light to expand into your world, to flood your world with this divine light. And begin to perceive everyone in your world as their Christ self, their God self. See them filled with divine light, smiling with pure divine joy, all of them, all of humanity, all of them. Hold this vision and intensify this light. Feel the joy within you rise and expand. Feel the relief of feeling who you truly are and who others truly are. Feel a deep peace within your being. And place your hand on your heart center to anchor this feeling. And whenever you want to bring yourself back into that reality, God's reality, your divine inner self, your divine Christ self, and the Christ self of all in your world, simply place your hand on your heart center to reactivate your divine vision for yourself and your world. When you feel complete, dear ones, begin to slowly open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and head. Welcome back, dear ones.